Welcome to another new vlog from Dear Diaries, and this time we are taking you to Karjat. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Friends, very good morning. It's about to be 8 o'clock. So today we are going to Karjat. Karjat is around 100 kilometers from here, like less than 100 kilometers. So we'll start by 8:30 most likely. So I woke up, got dressed up, Debotro is getting ready. We'll have some tea and then we'll head out. So catch you on the journey. Car is coming. We are set. Hello, we are off and we are running 15 minutes late. We thought of leaving by 8:30, but now it's almost 8:45. But TK will reach in 2.5 hours according to the Google Maps right now. And we are stuck in traffic 20 minutes after we got out. That's Mumbai, guys. Road trips through mountains offer such breathtaking views in Mumbai through these winding roads and the sense of adventure that is just so hard to beat. Hi guys, so we have taken a break now. We need to have some breakfast. But what happened is while traveling, our Google map was showing one route which we completely missed and went straight ahead. So our distance has increased a lot. I think 20 kilometers more. So we need to figure out the route properly. So we'll just sit down, have some breakfast. So this is the place Khopoli, where if you have seen our Lonavala vlog, the food place, it has a big food court and also some other individual joints. The link above is for our previous vlog where we have already shown this place. Got our breakfast. This is puri bhaji, pav bhaji and coffee. Very much crowded, but it's a very happening place for food. So everything you get is fresh. So they both figured out the road and we started our journey back again. Hello, we are back on the road after our Pet Puja and luckily Debotro found out a way which again reduced our time and we are again back on the right track. So it's 18 kilometers more. We'll be reaching by around 11:30 am, half an hour. Okay, so then see you at Karjat. We are still on the way. Did not reach yet. Taking a break again. But yeah, just 1 or 2 kilometers maybe. Huh? How much? Yeah. 5. Yeah, so we'll reach around say, but the place looks very nice. The journey itself becomes the destination. Each travel takes a new vista, making it such a memorable experience that leaves such a lasting impression. Slowly, we could see hills all around us, but suddenly we realized this is not hills. These are the beginning of the Deccan Plateau, the flat land, the very, very vast flat land. And we were just on the foothills of the Deccan Plateau. It was just breathtaking. And then we reached the Deganes Valley. Huh. We have to log in our entry. We have reached Elegant Karjat. Now we are entering the Deganes Valley gate and logging in our entry.
driving on rough terrain can be challenging yet exhilarating. As our car navigates through the rugged landscape, every bump and shake adds on to the thrill of this adventure.
360-degree view of mountains. Going towards the hotel now. This is the building. So this is our room. There are 2 twin beds. I mean 2 double beds. They have given water. View is superb. Like you can just sit here, chill and relax. That's it. Amazing, amazing. Good find. Although there's some construction going on, but still it's feeling really peaceful. Here there are cupboards and everything. 1 full-size mirror. The washroom is also quite clean. AC if required. Must. Very happy with the place. Hello. So we have now freshened up, although we couldn't get over how pretty the room is and also how nice the view is. So we spent a lot of time before getting freshened up by chit-chatting and getting amazed by the view and everything. So yep, anyhow, while traveling we already gave you a lot of information in bits and pieces, but I'll just sum it up for you guys. So this is in Karjat, but the name of the village is Jambrung, and it is around 25 kilometers from the main Karjat Central. The name of this place is Elegant Karjat. If you just Google it by that, you will get all the information, the pictures and reviews and everything. The owner is Siddharth, with whom we were in touch. Do not book this from booking.com, book it directly from their website, so you will save a lot of money on the taxes because they don't charge anything more than just the room price. So you have already seen the room, and this costs us 2,500 rupees per night, and this is inside the Diggins Valley, and it's a very big campus which has lot of pretty cottages, and we are in one of such resorts. It's around 3 or 4 story. We are in the top floor, but for people who have elderly people in their group, don't opt for the top floor, although there are few rooms which don't have a Wi-Fi. So just tell them what your priorities are beforehand, so that you can get an accommodation according to your liking and your requirements. And the place has a restaurant also, which is just 2-3 buildings away from this one, and there you get all your breakfast, lunch and dinner in buffet. So we were very tired. We got the contact numbers for 2 of the caretakers over here, and we requested them to give us the food in the room, which they were very kind enough to give us, and now we have it in the room. I'll just show you when we have the lunch. I'm right now waiting for Debotro, who is taking a bath. So this is our buffet lunch that was delivered to the room. Rice, dal, paneer, cauliflower and chicken. They forgot to give us roti and papad, but since it's quite hot outside, we told the guy not to go in the sun again. We are okay with this, and this is a lot of food. So let's dig in. Yeah. Hello, good evening. So now we have come out, and we are just here by the restaurant to have some tea or coffee, and also check out how the place around the restaurant is. So I will just give you a tour entering the place. Here's the pool. This is a park. That's a park over there. Here, the sun has almost set, and we are planning on going towards the city, Karjat city, and catch you there then. They are giving us a nice show. Stage second MSC, ठीक है sir? This is a children's park, and here is a game room. कर दो. There's a massive fire outbreak somewhere here, which we captured little bit while coming also. But just look at the state of it. It has spread so much. Just the flares are coming up till here. Yeah, chalo.
Sunrise from Rome, such a bliss.
From there, the sun will come, most likely. Again, just showing you around that we are staying in a place that has mountains all around us. 360-degree mountains, as I said yesterday.
Actually, from here, this Deccan Plateau starts.
Yeah, Devotra is saying from here Deccan Plateau starts.
We are at the edge.
We are sitting right at the foot of the plateau. This is the way that we are going, and there is our food place, the red cottage thing that you can see.
As you can see, there are lots of houses, like places to buy. These are actually for sale, but mostly these are empty only. Few of them that side, we can see some people staying there, small cottages.
Yeah, so those cottages are also let out for staycations and all of that.
Yeah.
Arrived at the restaurant. These red huts are the restaurants, as I was showing you yesterday night. एक बार दिन के टाइम पे भी दिखा देते हैं. ये इंडोर सिटिंग वाला प्लेस है. This is the place for sitting outside, and you have the hills always surrounding you. That is the kitchen, where they have all the Bawarchi graphics made. This is kind of a stage where these kids were enjoying yesterday. And that one is the playroom, game room. It has caroms and TT tables and all of that. So Debotro has gone over there to ask for some tea. Most of the staff over here are from Darjeeling. So we are conversing in Bengali since yesterday. Ki acha? We got our breakfast, puri sabzi, tea and bread omelette. There are windmills on top of this mountain, if you can see. Okay, guys, so we are done with the stay and now we are heading back. It was a very nice staycation, quiet, relaxed, with good food. We just relaxed, we didn't step out much. There are lots of places to see around. There's one temple, one dam, one waterfall, one film studio as well. But it is very hot outside, and even the locals over here suggested that we should do that when we visit again during the monsoon. And we do hope to again come back here soon, this year itself during the monsoon, where we will take you around Karjat and all its local sightseeing. So stay tuned to this channel by then, and also people who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. And we are ending the vlog here. Catch you later again on our next vlog. Most likely we'll be out with the Goa series soon, so stay tuned till then. Bye bye.
We were relaxed, chilled out, and now ready to head back home. So we bid bye bye to Karjat and went straight ahead for Mumbai.
Sorry, could not end the vlog over there as we came to visit this nice cozy cafe called Roots, which we heard a lot of before from my Pishimuni, and also my parents visited over here with them. It's a very nicely decorated cafe. I'll just show you in. We made a stop over here for some tea.
Art and creation are deeply personal and transformative. They allow us to express emotions, thoughts, and experiences in unique yet meaningful ways. Through art, we can explore new perspectives, communicate ideas, and evoke lots of emotions in others. And this cafe shouted art and creativity in each of its nook and corner. Amazingly, this place also had two rooms with the exact rustic, cozy, and creative vibes of the entire cafe. We hope to come here someday soon for a staycation as well. And that's not the end. There was also an adjacent art gallery next to the cafe. Every nook and corner of this cafe was pretty and beautiful and meaningful, and no doubt it added meaning to our trip and also was an icing on the cake in the end. And with that, we end this vlog. If you have liked, please do subscribe to our channel and keep supporting and showing your love to Dear Diaries.